Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.
God, you don't have to film this. You really don't.
Welcome to another special edition of Travel Tour Vlog. This time, we are riding the wonderful tramway train of Sydney for the first time, going around the central business station to circulate Quay.
The next stop is Bridge Street, followed by Wynyard, QVB, then all stops to Randwick via
The Sydney Tramway network served the inner suburbs of Sydney, Australia. It was the largest in Australia, the second largest in the Commonwealth of Nations after London, and one of the largest in the world. Please like, share, and subscribe.
The next stop is QVB, followed by Town Hall.
Join us and enjoy the ride.
All stops to Randwick via Central.
Travel Tour gives you the virtual experience to see the actual streets, road, buildings, mountain scenery, and the beautiful people of the country we are visiting, sharing you the feeling that you are actually there with us.
This stop is QVB, a light for Darling Harbour and Pitt Street Mall.
Please do watch our other Sydney, Australia vlogs.
This stop is Bridge Street.
Have you had the chance to visit Sydney, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below.
This QVB.
For your safety, please hold on at all times.
The next stop is Town Hall, followed by Chinatown, Haymarket, then all stops to Randwick via Central.
Diyan ka na rin, di na. Kabila pa.
This stop is Town Hall, Alight for Hyde Park. Change for trains, including the airport line.
Ayan na yung calls, oh. Bahala ka. Ito na yung calls.
This stop
Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Thank you for watching.
is Winyan, followed by Quay, Town Hall, then all stops to Randwick via Central. Is Winyan, a line for Market Place and Barangaroo. Change for trains including the airport line and ferries from Barangaroo.
Barangaroo. Barangaroo, Barangaroo, Barangaroo.